Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net Foodish. Ordar mapi, minwan ramangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
Kibuat penyahat jong school ba University of Science and Technology Meghalaya hak apan retrik Urisau araja apsau tingkat lang magisang mapulie pia polong da jing liak kemen hadin baka National Medical Commission kala ajing pet pan pleno ya kajing hikai puli Dr. MBBS kabashis pa asan pausid happy ia sangma International Medical College and Hospital yang ni gaslam puli doktor lapan sa nam hagar teng jong speaker berim Choki yang torbar tauan Lok Sabha purno agitok sangma ubadai ru kupa jok menti rang ba pamenta kejela ukon rat kongkol sangma kum kadap kaburom ya kajingno ya usun yang ubenhei Choki University of Science and Technology Meghalaya kaban long ru kawai na kiskol ba kabala kif start pa hagar kom sa mi gijing dang jing start chekin samla pulie hagar yasni le teman lai shimbantalang kakakurim jong purno agitok sangma kasura deni kia sangma umentri dang ba kajela ukon rat kongkol sangma Kementeri jong katabak kakot kathia kasorkar jela ka Dr. Amparilindo umentri katanat boarding u Abu Tahir Mandal u MLA jong kasyala constituency u ba Balajit Sindram u Chancellor jong school ba Ustm u M Hukit kinahikai ki Dr. Pak Kesama Pulih.
So this year we must say the PSMI International Medical College is a very healthy building. It's not 50 kg, it's not 100 kg, it is 150 kg weight. This baby having the 150 kg weight and we have to match it. I don't know how it is, how it has been happened. And I also tell that this baby took the birth after a critical surgery. And lots of surgeons are there in this surgery. So but baby is safe and we all doctors from the PSMI International Medical College sitting here, you are all efficient. You are all experienced that how this baby must be taken care of. So one day we can say, we can feel proud that it is not only made intentional, it is, we have to show through our excellence that we can attract the people from the global community who are coming here for the healthcare facilities. I must express the gratefulness to the bankers, the State Bank of India. I have not visited a single time in the State Bank office. The entire office has lended here in our university office and lended here 150 crores loan within a short span of time. I am very grateful to NETFI, Northeastern Development Financial Institution. The Motis are sitting here in the right, and we could not fulfill lots of criteria, but seeing our background, seeing the strength of UST. And I need not explain that what is the strength of USTM. Just before 5 minutes you have seen that what is the actual strength of USTM. And it is our diversity. It is our inclusion. And because of that this university is growing and with the support of everyone. We got lots of achievements in this campus. We got AA, we got lots of achievements. Recently 64 students great net examination, UGC net and CSN. But after getting the approval of PSMI International Medical College, the happiness and the other kind of emotional attachment I have seen from the every USTM student where they have no interest, but everyone is smiling, everyone has an emotional kind of attachment, and everyone celebrating. So I come back to make this function. We are very grateful to Honorable Chief Minister. I did not say any word what Chief Minister has done for us, for the medical college. Every moment, small to big issues we are coming, facing, and we are trying to overcome all those issues. And we have to do a lot. the way we have developed the infrastructure for this university, I think the infrastructure in our hospital and medical college will be 10 times once it will be executed nicely by next 6-7 months, 8 months.
That today made Ustm, and I again repeat, made Ustm one of the most important and most performing education institutions in our state and in the region of Northeast and in the country as a whole. So yes, I think Mr. Hawk does deserve a round of applause. So we should all give him a round of applause for the work and dedication that he has done. And on behalf of our family, my mother and all of us, it's really something very touching to see that Mr. Hawk has named this medical college after late Iyasama. I think this is another very important quality I've seen in Mr. Hawk, is that when he gets connected with somebody, the years may pass, but he doesn't forget. You have seen Mr. Balajit Sindram is here. He's our Honorable MLA, son of late Don Roy, the Chief Minister who gave the USTM the bill and the act to set up this university, and not more than that, gave the entire permissions, spacing, everything. And Mr. Balajit Sindram is sitting here with us. Though Dr. Don Roy is not here, I'm sure he is looking down from above, and I'm very happy to see that the seeds that he had sown in 2008, or the nurturing that he had allowed, and the space that he had given, has today led to an institute like this, which is today shaping the lives of our youngsters, shaping their future, and more importantly, shaping the future of our region, our state, and the country as a whole. P.A. Sangmaji was a person who believed in investing in our youth. He used to always tell us that the greatest investment a government can do is to invest in its youth. Because the returns that come out of that is just, unlimited. You just don't know what kind of returns you may get. Because it's unlimited. That's how great investments in the youngsters is what P.A. Sangmaji believed. These are his values that he had. And he instilled those values in us to ensure that when we also came in as a government, education was one of the most important things for us. There are a lot of challenges. I'm not saying that we've been able to solve everything. But the focus, the decisions that we take today are much easier for us because there are principles and values that have been set in our mind, in our hearts, allows us to make those decisions much quicker because we know what we want to do. And Mr. P.A. Sangma was very instrumental in setting those values for us and instilling those values in us. This 80 model has given you a small glimpse of what late P.A. Sangmaji's values were. I would encourage Hockstar that in the campus, you can have one small hall or a small hallway dedicated to Dr. Don Roy, which talks about his life, what he was, what he wasn't, what he did, what contributions he made, what values he believed in. Similarly, P.A. Sangmaji hall. I know you have made the whole building and a medical college in his name, you don't need a hall. But the story of P.A. Sangma, it's not just a name, it's the values and the principles that P.A. Sangmaji believed in. But now, in a matter of 7 to 8 years, you'll be happy to know that Meghalaya has today increased the money we spend on health to become one of the highest spenders in terms of healthcare to per capita or to the GDP calculation. We spend about 8% plus of our expenditure on budgets on healthcare, which is the highest in the country. The highest in the country. So we spend the highest amount of our budget compared to any other state on healthcare. Number two, we realize that it's not about just spending money. When you spend money, it has to be having the impact that you desire to have when you're spending the money. And hence we realize that we need to improve the overall infrastructures at the critical level, at the village level, PHC, CHC, sub-center, and all of those areas. We started investing in those. We realized that we need to keep training our manpower. We've invested in those. We realized that we have less doctors, and hence we were very excited when medical colleges like this and the Shillong and Tura medical colleges were in the pipeline. I can show you, as our minister has said, that we will go to start the Shillong and the Tura medical college also very, very soon.